at your home. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today, why I am asking about safety? Because today we are going to learn about the lesson safety and first aid. Okay? Safety and first aid. So, safety and first aid. First of all, what is meant by safety? Safety means protecting ourselves from harm, dangerous, and even protecting ourselves from the accidents. So, safety means protecting ourselves from harm, dangerous, and the accidents. Why the accidents occurs or takes place? Accidents occurs because of our carelessness, because we do not know the safety rules, because we don't follow the safety rules. Okay? Accident occurs because of our carelessness, because we don't know the safety rules, and sometimes though we know the safety rules, we will not follow it. Okay? So, it is very important to follow the safety rules to avoid the accidents. Accidents can occur anywhere at any time if we are not careful. Okay? So, it occurs not only on the road, even it occurs while playing at our school and even at our home. Okay? So, today now let us see few safety rules which we have to follow to avoid the accidents at our home. Okay? So, here are few points or few safety rules which we have to follow at our home to avoid the accidents. Okay? So, what are the accidents which can take place at our home? What we have to, how we can take care of it? How we can avoid those accidents? Let me see by few points. Okay? Let me see few safety rules. Yes, here are few safety rules which we have to follow at our home to avoid the accidents. These are just points, see it. Yeah, safety rules at home. Yes, what accidents may take place at our home and how we can avoid it. Do not play with fire or matches. That is, small children or anyone should not play with the fire or with the match box or with the match sticks. We should not play by using these things, because you know, if you play with these and if it is not used properly, what happens? From this, we will get a fire, and if it is not handled properly, we may burn our skin. especially small children. You should not use the matchbox, or you should not play with the matchsticks, and even you should not play with the fire. You should not go near the fire. Okay? Even when the gas stove is on at your home, you should not go near of that. Okay? So we should not play with fire or matches, especially small children. Even they will be not having any work with that. So small children should not play with fire or matches. Okay, that is matchsticks or matchbox, as it burns the skin. Okay, so next, do not touch hot objects. We should not touch the hot object. Anyone, elders or small children. What happens if we touch the hot objects? Again, it burns our skin. Okay? So, which may cause problem. There will be a pain. We feel pain. So, we should not touch the hot objects. It may be anything. Maybe at your kitchen, the hot cooker, or the hot vessel, maybe iron box when it is used and kept, it will be very much hot. We should not touch it. If it is touched, what happens? We will burn our skin, and which causes a lot of pain. Okay? We should not touch the hot objects. Next, put your books and toys in their place after use. Yes. See, as you are all very small, you may play with many toys at your home. You may use many toys to play. But you should not scatter the toys here and there on the floor at your home. Right? What happens if you scatter, or if it is fallen down on the floor? Some person or someone unknowingly, they may enter the home and they may keep leg upon that, and they may slip and they may fall. Again, it will cause dangerous for the person. Or you will scatter and go. You will scatter and go. Afterwards, you will not remember it. You will only come. You may only fall down. Okay? So, after playing with the toys, you should not scatter the toys here and there on the floor. It must be kept in a proper places. Okay? And even while reading, writing and all, you may sit somewhere in the hall or in the room. Okay? And at that time also, you should not throw your erasers, pencils, anything which you use, books, anything, you should not throw or you should not scatter on the floor. Again, same thing. What happens? Someone unknowingly they will come, and if they walks upon that, they will slip and fall, and it causes the injury. Okay? So, you should, after using the books, pencil, erasers or anything, toys, you have to keep it in a proper places. You should not be scattered on the floor. Okay? You should not leave any toys, books, pencil, pen, erasers, sharpeners on the floor. Someone may get hurt or someone may get injury when they falls. Okay? So, all the books and toys must be kept in a proper places after use. Okay? Yes. Next one. Do not play with electrical appliances. Do not play with electrical appliances. What are electrical appliances? Electrical appliances means those are the objects which works by using the electricity. Okay? What are the example of electrical appliances? That is light, fan, refrigerator, television, all these things which works by using the electricity. Those are known as the electrical appliances. So you know how much danger it is playing with electricity or touching these electrical appliances. We should not touch the electrical appliances or we should not play with that when it is in use. Okay? It causes dangerous. And we depend on electricity in our daily life for many activities, right? Many activities, daily activities, we depend on electricity. If there is no electricity, many of the works will not take place at our home, right? So even as you are small children, even you may need a electricity because to watch the TV. You may need fan at that time and all. As you are very small, you have to take the help of an adult or any elder person. Those who are there at your home, you have to take the help of them to switch on. Okay? You especially smaller children, they should not touch the electrical switches or electrical sockets and all. And even you should not play with the electrical plug points and all. And especially with the wet hand and all, you should not touch the electrical switches as it made you shock. So if there is an electric shock, what happens? There will be pain. Okay? Electric shock means it is a pain in the body. So see here, this baby is playing with the electrical wire. If the switch is on, it will causes very dangerous. So anyone should not do this kind of activities. Okay? So should not touch the electrical switches, plug points with the wet hand and do not play with the electrical appliances. Okay? Yes. Next. Do not put objects such as coins or marbles in your mouth. Yes. Especially smaller children will do it, right? Whatever they will get in their hand, they will put in their mouth. Is it right thing? No. So, some things which are not edible, which we cannot eat, that we should not put inside our mouth. Any hard objects, if you get, you should not put inside your mouth. See, if this coin is put inside the mouth, this is a coin. Will it digest or will it pass through the food pipe? No. So, if the coin or marble or any beads, if it goes inside the mouth, it causes dangerous. Near doctor only, we have to go then. Okay? So, the things which are not edible, the things which we cannot eat, that things we should not keep in our mouth. By mistake, it may go to our throat. If it stands in our throat, if it is there in the throat, then to remove it, we have to go near the doctor only. And in some cases, it may cause very much dangerous. So, even we should not scatter the toys or anything on the floor. When the small children, they don't know that it is not an edible thing, they will put in their mouth. Okay? So, any hard objects or anything which are not edible, we should not put in our mouth, which also causes very much dangerous. Okay? Shall we move to the next point? Then, what else may takes place at our home. See, do not play with sharp objects such as knives, needles, blades, or scissors. So, do not play with knife. Okay, do not play with knife, scissor, needle. Is it visible? Yeah, do not play with needle and do not play with the blade. Can you see how it is there? How it is there? It is very much sharp, right? It is very much sharp. The objects like scissor, knives, scissor, needle and blades. You can find it and you have seen it also. These are all very much sharp objects. Can small children use it? No. Small children should not use the sharp objects like knives, needles, blades or scissors. What happens? So if it is not used properly, so if it is not handled properly, it may cut our skin, right? If it is not handled properly or if it is not held properly, it may cut our skin. Okay? So we should not, we mean small children should not use the sharp objects. Suppose they have to use, they have some work. While doing craft work, you have to cut something or you have to stitch something. Anything at our home, you have some work. What to do? At that time, you have to take the help of an elder, those who are there at your home. Right? And at your school, you can take the help of your teacher. But as you are very small, you should not handle with these sharp objects. Okay? So, I hope you have understood. These are the few accidents which may take place at our home and what safety measures we have to take to avoid the accidents. Okay? Not only this, like even if the water or oil is spilled on the floor, that time also someone may come and they may trip over on it and they may fall. If they walks on that, they may slip and fall and it causes dangerous for the person and even it may cause injury, right? So, and even at your home, in the staircases, that is in the steps, you should not run or 2-3 steps together, you should not jump. Okay? So, you have to walk on the steps step by step. Okay? So, these are all the safety rules which we have to follow at our home to avoid the accidents. Okay? I hope you have understood. These are few points. Okay?